Hello everyone. So today our group is conducting a quantitative analysis of energy consumption patterns. According to the project guidelines, we are investigating whether there is a statistically significant difference in electric usage between two independent groups, which is household using non-renewable energy and those using renewable energy. To achieve this, we have employed an independent sample t-test to compare the means of these two populations. By utilizing SPSS statistics, we aim to determine if the observed reduction in consumption is mathematically significant or simply due to a random chance.
Before diving into the data, we must establish our statistical framework. As seen in our analysis requirement, we have formulated two hypotheses. Number one is null hypothesis or H0. There is no significant difference in the average monthly electricity consumption between renewable and non-renewable energy source. Number two is alternative hypothesis or H1. Renewable energy adoption significant reduces average monthly electricity consumption compared to non-renewable source. Our objective is to determine if we have enough statistical evidence to reject the null hypothesis.
Our variable view data should look like this. Then our data view data should look like this after inserting all the data in here. So for next step, for getting the t-test result, we should press analyze, and then compare means, and then independent sample t-test. So it will look like this at first. So for our monthly consumption, we should put in test variable. Then energy source should be in grouping variable. So make sure our options is for our confidence interval percentage is 95%. Then for define groups, we should press 1 for group 1 and 2 for group 2. Then we press continue. And then we need to press OK. So our t-test result looks like this.
To test this hypothesis, we utilize a dataset consisting of 20 households, 10 using non-renewable sources and 10 using renewable sources. Our bar chart clearly visualizes the mean differences. The non-renewable group shows a much higher mean consumption, visible at 435.0 kW per hour. In contrast, the renewable group significantly lower with a mean of 340.5 kW per hour. This visual suggests a clear downward trend in consumption when using renewable energy.
So for making bar chart, we should press graphs, then chart builder, press OK. Then we should press bar for our section, then this. So for monthly consumption, we will put it in y-axis, and then for energy source, we should put it in x-axis. Then we need to press OK. It will come out like this.
So, like you can see, the graph shows the difference between non-renewable and renewable monthly consumption. It shows that non-renewable energy consumes lots of energy monthly, 319 kW per hour to 418 kW per hour, while for renewable energy only consumes 310 kW per hour to 317 kW per hour.
To confirm if this visual difference is statistically significant, we performed an independent samples t-test using SPSS. Group statistics. The non-renewable mean is 435.0 kilowatt per hour, while the renewable mean is 340.5 kilowatt per hour. Next, Levin's test. Our significance value is 0.110, which is greater than 0.05. So, we assume equal variances. Thirdly, t-test significance. Most importantly, our sig two-tailed value is 0.000. Since this is much lower than our alpha level of 0.05, we have strong evidence of a significant difference. In conclusion, because our p-value is 0.000, we reject the null hypothesis HO and accept the alternative hypothesis H1. Our data provides strong evidence that renewable energy adoption successfully reduces average monthly electricity consumption. This supports the promotion of renewable sources, not just for environmental health, but for improved energy efficiency in households. Thank you for listening.